Yeah, honey, happy Valentine Day. Here's some shorts.
Thank you.
Oi,
Oh,
honey,
I think.
honey, so thin.
I
It
think
maybe they're too big.
No.
Try to put it on.
You have another girls that have bigger size.
Well, at least it fit for one side. You can use it as a skirt. Give me that. Also, here, try this one.
Oh, I cannot.
It can be used as blanket.
I did.
Try to take off the shorts and then see how long it go down the t-shirt. Okay, it's good dress.
โอเค ฟิตแน่นอน